Guys, can you guys hear me? Okay, let's just wait for a while. Okay. Can you guys hear me?
Hi HMH, can you hear us and see us clearly?
Uh, Hi guys, sorry. Yeah, I think you guys can hear me, right? Okay, let's just wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Alright, I will start the section for today. Alright. So if you have any pair you want me to, have a look, and then you can let me know. If not, I will just go through all the major pair. And then indices, okay, and commodity as well. Okay, so how you guys doing? HMH, that is your name? Is that your name? By the way, tomorrow I will be teaching you guys about harmonic. Alright, so if you are free, please join the section. Okay. Okay, so I don't want to keep you guys waiting. Let's just start our webinar for today. So today we're going to cover is live trading section. Alright, so before I bring you guys to the chart, just a disclaimer. Alright, so this webinar is purely for educational only. Okay, if you come to trade, please do your own due diligence before you are trade, because trading forex or CFD is very high risk, high return because of leverage. Okay. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, introducing your host today. So my name is Peggy. I'm a trade analyst at Aero Frozen Group. We are a partner with IC Market, and we are finalists for the best epic research in 2019, 20, and 21, and finalists for the best epic research in 2020 and 21 as well. And for myself, I'm a prop trader as well. This is some of certificate that I have passed the challenge. Alright. Hi, Yala. Okay, welcome to the webinar. Okay, so let me bring out the charts for you guys. So okay, so now let me just look at the DXY for today. So now I'm at head 4 time frame, but let's just look at the like daily. Okay, it's okay here. Look at the daily time frame first. What I can see here, to me, for daily time frame for the DXY, I think it's still on downtrend because price is make lower high, lower low, something like that. Okay, so I still think it's still on downtrend for daily time frame. Okay, and then what I can see in head 4, and then it's in head 4, what you can see here. Okay, I pick this as my first resistance because I was drawing Fibonacci, so I use a Fibonacci extension. Okay, so how you draw it? You draw from here, swing high to swing low. Okay, and then we use Fibonacci extension, which is 127 and 161. Okay, and then what I can see over here, why I highlight like this, because I think this is core supply zone. Okay, so what if you were to draw from like exactly at 12720, here is somewhere around here, but I like to draw the zone which is cover all like the demand and supply, but this time we got supply zone here. So what you can see here, when the price hits the first resistance and then it's reversed and now it's at our support. Okay, why I choose this support? Because of this high. Okay, and then price is broke like above this, and then you wait for price to pull back at the support. But again, in my daily, I think it's still on the downtrend. Okay, so I think price will be make a pullback or revert from here. Okay, so this is my first and second support and the XY, and of course second resistance is here. Okay, so now we just look for the XY. Just want to see how like the market will be heading to, and of course second support is gonna be here. I just click here. Okay, what you can see here, if you want to trade demand and supply, here is another like here. Like here is your demand zone, right? And then you pull fib from here to here. You pull out your all fib like this. Okay, sorry, here to here. So it's here it's about 23.6, but I don't think. Okay, it's 23.6%. Okay, it line up with our like demand zone here. So you may think that you may see that if I really break first support, I think they will come up until here possible, and then make like like here possible if they break, and then it will make like that, because on our daily time frame is still on downtrend. Okay, so if the XY is bearish, so EU is bullish, right? What you can see here. Okay, so what you can see over here, let's just go to our daily time frame. So the daily time frame, I think price is about to break our trend line. Okay, daily time frame, for example, you want to draw any one of you guys trade SMC. You can share with me if you guys trade or SMC or any strategies. Okay, so what you can see here, price is I'm not sure whether this one is going to break below the ascending trend line in daily time frame, because the candle is not closed yet, right? So we need to keep it up, keep an eye on it. But what you can see here, I think price on the EU, if you want to make like that, if possible that this one daily time frame is your left shoulder, right? Or your left shoulder. And then this one it could be here, and then This one could be. This one could be right shoulder. I'm not sure, but possible. But because price is still now at first support in daily time frame, okay. Let's say if price really bounce up, I think firstly it's gonna be like this, go up here, and then make the way down. Okay, but let's just see in head 4. Okay, what you can see in head 4 here. Okay, let me just remove this one trend line. Over here you can see that price is somewhere almost touch your first support, right? But if you want to draw the zone, something like this, it's gonna be here. Okay, okay, here. What you can see here, and this candle is form of like price action, right? Possible that price will bounce off from here because I think price is almost make a equal low here on the head 4 time frame. But what you can see here, I think price is still on kind of like ranging or sideways in head 4 between like first resistance and first support. So if you were scalping this morning, already buy GU, I think already closed the trade. Okay, if you want to draw Vivo, okay, what you can see here, price touch 23.6% and then revert. If you were to ask me if price will still can go up more, I don't know. Okay, but what we can see is that let me see what is okay. I draw here. What I was looking, I kind of like maybe I'm waiting kind of like this zone. What I here, or even until like 61.8. But if you were to trade like demand or supply, this one is kind of like supply zone here, which is I think we do have 38 and 60% Fibonacci. So for example, if price come to this zone, for example, come here, you can sell, but what you can sell here, you need to go to the lower time frame like M15 or M5, M30 to wait for the confirmation. What I mean by confirmation is that, for example, if price come to this zone, either you see the price action or any rejection, which is a long wick. What is my okay? Example like you can see and land with a long wick like that. Okay, like price action a long wick like that. I don't know why my drawing like that long wick. Or you may see those like the pattern in the lower time frame like make like that. Oh wait, sorry. Let me just delete. For example, okay, either price come here, okay, they come here and they come here, and then after they come here first, and then after they can see that the high-end price, okay, break this low, like break of structure or chain of character. If you were to trade, I can see here, and then you wait for the price to go back here, and then you make a sale. Okay, the thing, if you were to trade even head and shoulder or QM pattern whatsoever, you need to wait for the price to break this low first, okay, and then you sell, here. But let's say if you are aggressive trader, like price come to the zone, which is here, and then you just sell. So if you were to sell, if you are aggressive trader, so your SL just have to be like above. Let's just say your SL should be just somewhere here, like above the your stop loss. Sorry, your stop loss should be just above the wick. Okay, but if you were to wait for the confirmation in either M5, M30 or M15, you just have to wait either QM, break the low, okay, and then chain of character, and then after that you sell here. Or if there if like sometime when the price come to the zone like resistance area, you will see the price ranging somewhere around here, right? Then you may consider to sell as well, because sometime from there then price will just make a way down. Okay, so let me delete first. Okay, so back to head 4. Okay, I didn't wait here, but my first resistance I will just move down a bit, because this one is my resistance on last week. So I think I might just look somewhere around here first, which it already hit my 26%. So okay, I think this is, I still like somewhere around this area. Okay, like this zone you may consider, which is I will put this color. Okay, and then I use people to help me. Okay, if you were to draw here, okay, somewhere is 78, and this one, this the zone. Okay, we were to draw here to find a component here. Okay, so this 30, 38, and 50. Okay, so what you can see here, let me zoom in for you. Okay, we talk about EU now. So this is the area you may consider to sell. Okay, I know that the zone, it may be a bit wider, but you can, like sometimes price come here, you can just put small lot, and then you can layer within the zone here. But where you going to put your SL, if you can, either you put your SL, to me you can just put above this resistance. This is the one. Okay, this is, you put above second resistance if you want to trade. But if you have like, if you put like a bigger lot, you have to me you have to put up like here. It's either here, you put here, like somewhere here. Why should here? Because here is another supply zone. Okay, I don't want to confuse you guys. So either you sell here, okay, you put your stop loss here, or you put your stop loss just before or after the here is supply zone. All right. Okay, so this is the trade, and you see price already moving up, and my second support is, I just put here. Okay, so this morning I buy the GU and I sell UJ. Okay, but this last week I have stop out like USD JPY. Okay, why I sell the GU USD? Let's just look at daily time frame. Okay, what you can see here, I think, no, we cannot see, but if you were to draw descending trend line, you can see that price is still below descending trend line, meaning still on downtrend. And what you can see here, price is make the lower low, lower high, right? Somewhere here, I think possible price will come here and then go up here, or it could be here. Okay, it could be, okay, if this one cannot make a lower low, okay, like make the like higher low or lower low here, I think price is might going to change trend here, because in daily time frame price have to make a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, right? But like what we can see here, price could not make the lower low, lower high, and then they cannot make a lower low. Okay, so they just make here. Okay, so we go to the good morning, guys. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, alright, wherever you are. Okay, because my side is good evening. Okay, some of you guys good morning. Okay, so we just back to head 4. Okay, what you can see here in head 4. In head 4, okay, I just place this as my first resistance. So now GBP USD is sideways, okay. And what you can see here, even though here they are making like the low here, but it's just a weak swing low. And then they just clear all the like stop loss here, and then what we can see here, price could not make the low here. So now like equal low in H4. Okay, so like what I see, DXY need to break first support. Okay, GU need to break the resistance, which is, let me see. Okay, I just put here my resistance. Okay, just this. This is not really the level, it's nothing. The level is actually here, first resistance to be here. But because it's quite a bit far for the H4, okay, so I think I used my Fibo level to help me to get the level, which is 23.6%. Why I choose this one, even though price still go up here? Oh, okay, because you can see that price come above 23.6% and could not go above, which is all the body is close below this level 22.6%. So I think it's quite strong, or like it's still not sideways. So just now I will buy here. So I my TP just before 23.6%, and you can see it's sideways. Okay, so still I will just put this 23 and so I use IP 23 and 61. Okay, here that's my second and first support resistance. Sorry, this is my second resistance here. Okay, so it's still sideways, guys. So there is no opportunity if you are like in the higher time frame. I think you can just find another potential pair. But here I will use I draw a protection from here to here, but price is already go down here, so we cannot do, so I don't draw it. Okay, so these are the level. There's still no potential, even though you go to H1. In H1, it's very clear that price is sideways here. Okay, so sideways, or what I can see, they might going to make a reversal, like bullish reversal, because it may make like the build pattern, or could be double bottom here. Okay, like here, right? What you can see, I'm not sure if really be like that. Could be like here. We will see. Okay, but in H1 is my have, but let me see if there is any divergence. I do use RSI to identify or to find if there is divergence, but now we don't have. Okay, so you will see, but price is still sideways. For example, if price break first resistance, okay, so if break, you just have what I mean, like for example, price make like that, right? Yeah. Okay, they need to break first resistance. They need to break this we call next line. For example, price break go to until like second resistance here. So you will wait for the buy. You could wait at here. You wait for the price to come down here, and then you buy. Okay, here. So this one is break, it become your first support. You get what I mean? So now price is still sideways. It's the first resistance. It have to break first resistance, and then it's break this high. Okay, and then you go like second resistance here, and then you wait for the price to pull back, and then it become your support, and then you buy from this level, like from this right here. But now we still don't know because price sideways. It's just like, you know, if you were to trade or if you want to wait, right? In H1, it's something like that. Okay. Thank you. You mean for the IC market? I don't think we do have one now. Okay. Okay. Let's look at the refrank here. Okay. Let me remove or okay. I think in daily time frame this is also sideways. What you can see here sideways. Okay. And nothing for to trade. I think today the market is quite like, you know, quiet. The first resistance here in daily time frame. Second resistance should be here. Okay, you see there's nothing on the left here. And then we zoom into H4. Okay, what you can see over here, I zoom in for you to see. Right, just sideways here. Alright guys. Okay, this could be my first resistance, second resistance. It need to break. Okay, this is my second support. My third, first support, second support is here. Okay, you can see the price still sideways. Like I say, still sideways here. So I don't think there is opportunity for to trade as well for the higher time frame. Okay, so this is the level. You may just see if price either break above or break below. Okay, this is okay. No potential sideways, guys. We look at the UJ. Okay, for the UJ this morning I sell. Okay, I sell but I close already because I go to the H1 time frame. Okay, but I think it's very strong bullish. But excuse me, I saw because of this like this high. You guys can hear and see me because just now this they decided I'm sign out, so I'm sign in again. Can you guys hear me and see me? Okay. Okay, so now I'm in daily time frame, right? I sell because price is at the resistance here. Okay, what you can see here, there's a lot of big around this level, right? And then break above becomes support, and then break support become resistance all the way down here. When it reaches the resistance here, like 3 days, you can see it's make a rejection, and then price came down, and it go back again. So I just sell. I go to the lower time frame, even like H1, like H1, and what I see here. Okay, first this is like on Friday. So Friday I did sell here because I saw like that it's price action and then price is at the first resistance, right? And then I sell here. I put my stop loss like above this week, but I no no I think no no I think okay no I didn't sell here, sorry. I sell okay, like I saw the price action here last Friday, yeah, and I didn't notice that there is a news, right? So I sell my SL just above. I put my stop loss, but I did not put my TP. So price came down all the way from like this candle all the way down here. I did not see. I saw it when it's reward, and then I just closed with the, of course, with the profit, right? Okay, but I could have earned more, but I cannot complain because I did not place the TP take profit, so it's okay. And then after that today, like this morning, I go to H1. Okay, and then I thought, okay, I can say that I take a risk a little bit because I saw that, okay, in H1 price could not make or go above my first resistance. Okay, let me change to like first resistance here. So I sell. I have a sell position somewhere here, and then I just close before it reverse back. I think I close somewhere slightly just before this one. After that it revert up again, but what we can see here, if I were to re-enter again, right, what happened? Okay, 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 what we can see here, like price cannot break above, right? You want to sell, you may enter, but where your stop loss, your stop loss has to just be above this week, because if price really break above or go beyond this swing high, I think price just go all the way up. So, but to me, I really um happy with my profit today. I'm not going to enter again. I need to be disciplined. Okay, so let B5, and what you can see here, I think here could have something like what you can see here, price could come, or like in inside 45 and 61, 45 extension. Okay, and then 61 is just above one. Okay, just above here, so extension. Okay, but price cannot go above this. If you to hold, you can hold, but let's say you to sell, you will sell, right? The first is have to pass, which is this level. There's somewhere here lah, somewhere here, like 23.6%. You just, this is your first TP. For example, if you will sell now, I will sell, but I already closed. I don't have any entry. Okay, you see, actually H1 is a good price action, no? This one a long way could not go above, and then this one is really long way. It seems like the buyer tried to push the price up first resistance, right? But it could not push it, my thing. Okay, see, this one is very nice one. Okay, this is like shooting star, right? Probably price may come down, I think, but I'm not sure. Okay, I like to go to the lower time frame like that. What I can see here, you can see here. Okay, if I were to enter from this, my sell just above this high. Okay, this is very nice price action as well here in M30 as well. This is a nice one. Okay, I'm not sure whether price is make like, I need to see if they make something like that or not. I'm not sure. Like here or here, but see, actually, if I were to trade, I think we'll put save here, but I don't have any. It's okay. So this is your support and resistance, okay, in H4. Okay, here, and then your second or your first support could be here. This is your first support. Okay, I'm not sure 23. 23 is just for you to like watch out for your TP, but I shoot 38 is my first support, because what you can see here is break the high, and then they also create the demand zone here. Okay, like demand zone here. So this is a good level for you to have to buy. Okay, here. And the second support should be this week here. My second support. Okay. Another resistance. Oh, I think what the Desmond will look for daily time frame. You think that probably like here, okay, if you were to look for the elite wave, right, you think that okay, the first resistance could be go to finish your wave 5. It's just that if price really break above this resistance which is currently priced at, you need to wait for the upside confirmation, meaning that price could go either they make like that and you buy to complete the wave 5 in daily time frame. Okay, but if I were to look at H1, to me price might it might like okay come here and then go up to complete wave 5. Okay, definitely they need to make pull back, okay, and then go up to complete wave 5. I don't know, but what we can see here, we can see very nice rejection when I go above first resistance. So okay, either to me, okay, if price come to this level, I may consider to buy, but I will wait for the confirmation first and then I will buy from here. Okay, can we draw the okay, I draw the protection. Okay, I think I will use 61.8. Oh, okay, this is the zone, guys. This is the zone. I don't think this is quite a strong zone for the sell area. Why? Because we do have 61.8 extension support your argument, which is 145 extension. We do have 61.8 projection. So this is quite strong or key resistance level, and it's a daily resistance as well. Okay, so actually it's quite a good zone to sell though. EJ, okay, let me just look for the EJ for you. Okay, EJ, wow, what is this? What is this? Ah, so messy. Okay, let's just remove first. Okay, what we can see here in daily time frame, you know that price already break this high. Okay, so this one need to be your equal high, alright, and then price break above. So now it become first resistance in daily time frame. Okay, you can see here. Okay, and then we move down to H4. What we can see here in H4. So now sin become your resistance, break above is your first support. Okay, on the left there is nothing. All time high is it? Let me go to the weekly and have a look. Okay, where is my price? Let me see, guys, because I break above this. So now it's over here. Okay, let me see. This is the zone that I may consider because price over here. Let me see, okay? somewhere here. Let me zoom in to daily time frame. Okay. You see, right? It touches my supply zone here and then make a way down, right? Can you see that? That's how I zoom to weekly to see. That's why I highlight the zone which is my hidden base. Just now I call my hidden base, right? And then price is break this. And now with this, let me see. Daily. No. Okay, we go to head 4 because we want to see. Did you sell? Okay, did you sell? Okay, if you want to look at head 4, this is sideways, right? Okay, what you can see here is sideways here, and price at the like sideways here. So when price break this, you will sell at this candle. Okay, if you're scalping, I think you may already close like when price come to here, but I think it still can come down more. Okay, so let's just draw fib bow. Okay, I just pick this like swing to here. You see our support is somewhere 23 30 point, excuse me, 20%, and then what the Kenya price is reverse from 23.6%, but I just choose 23 because price already like tap in the zone. Okay, so this is somewhere have first support here. And do you have any order for the EUR JPY? Okay, so price have to break this zone, and then either let me see. Okay, if you want to wait for the confirmation, right, what you can see here actually is very nice one. This is the confirmation that you buy, you sell, sorry, this candle. And then after this candle close, okay, you sell this candle and then you will TP here all the way down. Okay, you can see that price sideways. Okay, since when, like Thursday, is it Thursday, Friday, still like sideways, not go anywhere. And then now I think let me see. Yeah, if you want to wait to buy, maybe just here first support. But in H1, but I'm not sure whether it will go all the way up. Let me just look like monthly. Okay, monthly is already at this supply zone. Okay, all time high already, right? Yeah. And if you want to look at the RSI is above 70 already. Okay, it's overbought. Let me look for the stochastic. You can see here. I'm using 21, okay, 21.33. Yeah, it's my like reverse somewhere around here. Okay, this is already daily the month is not then. This is the highest one is here. Okay, like sometimes you just zoom in to see right here. But usually this level price like reverse one time, two time. It's my like reversing soon. Okay. Okay. Go down to H1, H4. It might go down and make like the M pattern or like double top. Okay, so you wait first. Okay, go to lower time frame. Okay, if you want to look at M30, like triple top, it is at 1, 2, 3, right? Did you see like me, like 1, like 2, like 3, and then price it may come to like the next line here, and you sell. Okay, so what do you mean by this one? Tell you, if you trade SMC, right, like price ranging like here, for example, like here, and then after that price break lower, break this low, then like this one. Okay, you break already. Okay, like say you wait for the price to go up either to the neckline, but it go up until here, and then you sell. If you miss the entry here, you can sell here at the neckline here, which is 1, 2, 3 times. It's still coming down. You can see here. Like if you miss, you can enter here and enter here. Where your sell? Your sell is just above either this equal high here in M30. Okay, you see here, and then price still want to go up, but if not, we need to wait. Okay, you bought up this morning. Okay, yeah, if you long this morning, I think you already make a profit, right? So you see price still going up here. Okay, so you need to see any pair you guys want me to have a look, guys. If not, do we look at gold already? Haven't, right? Okay, let me look at gold. I just remove the drawing. Okay, let's look at the daily time frame first. Okay, daily time frame, I think gold is come down more, like to be somewhere here, to be first support. Because what I can see, they let me see. They can go down more. Because I think they go like to here, like this resistance in daily time frame, like this resistance, and this is support. Okay, let me zoom in to head 4. Okay, in head 4, what we can see here, in head 4, okay, I think in head 4, price is still on downtrend, right? Because it make the here, like lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and still make a lower low. Okay, you can see here. But this is the negative here is my first support. Let me see, it's to exact. This, okay, I put this in my first support. Okay, I think I should. Okay, later we'll see FIBO, and then we will see how. The resistance, I like this one should be second resistance more, but it's very nice overlap. Good, move all the way down here. Yeah, it's very nice resistance 1.331. If you want to buy here, if you already have the buy position, definitely your put TP is gonna be like 19 20, which is this high. Okay, which is this high. If you were to buy, I just put my first resistance. Okay. Okay, let me find. Let me draw protection here. You can see that price is almost touching 61.8% protection. Okay, right here. But it's not, and then you can just pull the extension. Okay, extension. It could be, if you were to look, 20 to 26%, which is okay. I think I'll just pick this as my second support, which we do have somewhere around here. I'm not sure if price can come down here too. So this could be like buy zone, which I think a night number 1900 to 1905. You may consider to buy here. Okay, yeah. But I think price is still right sideways because price could not make the higher high. I mean, in daily time head 4, price could not make a low. If price make a high, which it need to break first resistance. Okay, you will have to pull back your support and then you buy. So now we don't know yet. We need to wait. If price really break above 1920 or 1920, and then you can buy at this level. Okay, but sideways. Okay, it's still sideways. So okay, you see, it's not nothing moved. The divergent here. No divergent as well. Okay. Okay. So guys, this is the my level for gold. Okay. If price break 1920, you wait for price to pull back and then you buy. Or you want to sell, you can sell somewhere here, like 19 like still zone. Okay. 920 to no, sorry, 1930 to 1935. Okay, right, still zone here. You may consider. Okay, guys. Alright, guys. Any questions so far? Any questions so far? Any questions so far, guys? Before like I end the webinars. You can pause a bit here so you guys can like let me know if you have any question. Okay. Okay. If you don't have any question, I would like to end the webinar for today. Okay. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, for the at one harmonic. Okay, if you guys free, please join the webinar or join the section. Okay, so I will see you again tomorrow. Alright, thank you guys. Thanks for joining. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good day. Happy trading. Alright, bye.